Okay, in this video, we're going to solve the systems of equation using Gauss-Jordan elimination method, and so let's begin. And in the description box of this video, I have one video focusing on Gauss-Jordan elimination. Here, I'm still going to show all the steps, but if this is completely new to you, I would recommend watching that video first. And so first what I'm going to do is rewrite it. So I'm going to say 6, there's no coefficient here, so we know it's 1. So we have -1, 3, and 4. We're just taking the coefficients. Then we'll put dash, 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 and we'll take 6 and 3. 6 and 3. And our objective is to get this. We want this piece to be 1, this piece to be 1, and this diagonal to be 0. And once we achieve that, this value will be x, and this value will be y. Now, with this Gauss-Jordan elimination, it's kind of like a puzzle. There's several things that we can do to achieve our goal. So first, I'm going to rewrite this piece. So we had 6, -1, 3, and 4. Dash, dash, dash. Our answer was 6 and 3. And to get started, I'm going to take row 1, this row right here, I'm going to subtract 2 row 2. And this is going to give us, so our first row doesn't change. I'm not manipulating that. So I have 6, -1, dash, 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 6. Now this is where I'm going to manipulate stuff. So it says take row 1, 6, minus 2 times row 2, 3. So -2 times 3 is -6. 6 minus 6 is 0, so I get my 0. Now we have to repeat this. -1 minus 2 times 4 is -8. -8 minus 1 is -9. The last one, 6 minus 2 times 3 is -6. 6 minus 6 is 0. And so if you notice, we're one step closer. This piece is now 0. Now we can easily turn this -9 into 1 by multiplying row 2 by -1/9. So -1/9 of row 2. Again, row 1 is not being changed. 6, -1, dash, 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 6. 0 times -1/9 is still 0. -9 times -1/9 is going to give us +1. 0 times the same thing is, 0. So now this bottom row is all good. Next, I want to get this piece to be 0. And I can easily do that if I take row 2 plus row 1. Because -1 plus 1 is 0. So 6 plus 0 is still 6. -1 plus 1 is 0. Dash, dash, dash. 6 plus 0 is still 6. And our row 2 remains the same. 0, 1, 0. So we're almost there. This piece, this piece, this piece we got. All we need to do is get rid of this 6 and turn it into a 1. And that's just going to be like this piece. So I'm going to multiply row 1 by 1 over 6. So 6 times 1, 6 is going to be 1. 0 times 1, 6 is going to be 0. Dash, dash, dash. 6 times 1, 6 is 1. And then row 2 remains the same. So 0, 1, 0. So 1, 0, 0, 1. We got this. Therefore, x will equal 1 and y will equal 0. Now, it's always a good idea to check. 6 times 1 is 6. Minus 0. 6 minus 0 is 6. That's correct. 3 times 1 is 3. Plus 4 times 0 is 0. 3 plus 0 is 3. That's correct. And if you want more practice, check out the description box for more videos.